This is my Cryptohopper 15-minute scalping strategy results after 48 hours. Hello, it's Jim here with another update on Cryptohopper. We were testing the 15-minute scalping strategy. Okay, so this is the results for the scalping strategy after 47.5 hours, I believe. Yeah, 47.5 hours. I wanted to get this video done and uploaded, hopefully the 48 hours mark. However, it might be slightly late, but never mind. So it's 47.5 hours that this bot has been running, and I'm not too impressed, but you know, one look at Bitcoin and that tells me why it's not done so well. Here's Bitcoin on the 1-day chart. Let me get rid of these indicators. How do you hide that one? Okay, I'll just do that. Right, okay, so 48 hours ago we started, so Monday at 4:30. It's now Wednesday, 4 o'clock. Alright, so let's have a look. Back to Monday 4:30. Okay, put it on the half hour. Monday at 4:30. There we go. No, it's 2:30. Alright, so we started the bot around here. Alright, came up slightly. Things came up slightly, then Bitcoin came down, tumbled, and then it came up and came down, and then it pumped a fair bit. A lot of volatility last night. So this is 8:30 last night. So the bot was running just over 28 hours at this point, and then Bitcoin took a dive and it came back up, and I thought, oh, this was this morning, I think. Oh, this bot's doing okay now. It started doing okay again. Things came back up into the green. It was a couple of dollars in profit, and I made my previous video about this 15-minute strategy yesterday around here. Okay, so a lot of up and down since then. So that's why it hasn't done very well. And this is why, guys, you always try a new strategy on a paper trading bot. However, saying that I'm not too impressed with it is not really fair. It's done its job. It's done what it's supposed to be doing. We can only blame Bitcoin for it not being in profit yet, Bitcoin going down. These are the ones it's bought and sold. The smallest one was 1.72%, and the biggest one was 3.58%. That's the beauty of trailing stop loss. Okay, we've had, where's the DCA? There, a DCA there, a DCA there, and a DCA there. So let's have a look inside the bot. So which ones were DCA'd? This one, and this one. This one, in fact, it shows you there, that DCA'd just an hour ago. Okay, so it's DCAing at -5% or below -5, and just things are starting to come back into the green now. BNB's been pumping a little bit. However, Bitcoin looks a bit dodgy right now, so I don't think this bot will do well over the next couple of days. But give it another week or so, it might be doing really well when Bitcoin starts doing its pumpy action again. Let's have a look. See, it does look like Bitcoin wants to come down a bit from there. And we are expecting a nice dump before the Bitcoin halving, actually. So, but when will that happen? Will it happen? And how much will it dump by? Okay, so anyway, this is still running, and I'm going to switch it off any minute now, and I'm not too pleased with it, and it doesn't matter anyway because it is a paper trading bot. Alright, so if we'd have been using this specific paper trading bot down here, obviously we'd have been in nice profits. I mean, Bitcoin itself went up from here to there. It went up 96% in 130 days, which is just over 4 months, isn't it? 4 months it went up 96%. And you imagine buying and selling all the way up, all the altcoins and the Bitcoin and Ethereum, all the way up there. Alright, so what would I do to improve this strategy? Well, if Bitcoin is in a long-term downtrend, you know, like this here, I would probably set the trailing stop loss a little bit lower down, just not be too greedy with the taking profits. Maybe I would set the trailing stop loss at 1.4% with a 0.2% drop, hoping for at least 1.2% in profits. Yeah. Maybe I wouldn't allow it to open too many positions. Click on cancel for that. I wouldn't allow it too many positions. If I know that we're in a downtrend, I would reduce the number of positions. Instead of 15, maybe I'd have 10 or even 8. Alright, because that makes it where it doesn't spend too much money. Even now, although we've got all these things in the red and it's done 3 DCAs, is it? 1, 2, 3. It's done 3 DCAs, it's doubled the position size on that. It's only spent, what, $175 out of our 1,000, so it's still, you know, easily recoverable, very easily recoverable. The Bitcoin starts pumping now, you can expect everything here to recover. I mean, even that with no DCA can go back up and reach 2 or 3% profit easily. Alright, so it's nothing to panic about. I never panic when I see this. I just see it as an opportunity to get in, do a DCA and increase the position size from $10 to $20 or $10 to $19. 50-ish, and that would give me better results when it does come up into profit. Alright, so guys, secret sauce, my best strategy that I've been using since I think 3.5-4 years now. I've not found a better strategy than it so far. If I do, I will update my secret sauce, obviously. But anyway, if you want to get hold of the secret sauce absolutely free, just sign up for Cryptohopper through my link and buy a subscription and follow these instructions here. Click on the link below the video, watch that quick video. It tells you how to contact me on Skype. Alright, you can get Binance here, TradingView and Cryptohopper. That's the one that's the main thing. When you click on that, make sure you check that 15412 is in the URL. It will disappear. Watch. It appears for about a second and then it disappears. That's perfectly normal. Okay, and then, you know, sign up for an account, and once you pay for an account, contact me on Skype. I'll tell you how to contact me on Skype in there, and I'll let you in to the secret sauce. I'll send you a link for it. I'll check my affiliate stats and see that you've signed up, and I'll let you in the secret sauce. I'll give the URL and the password. And also I have a Telegram group that I've just started, and you'll be able to get together with other crypto hoppers and me and get help via Telegram as well, and we'll all share our best strategies in there. So if that sounds cool to you, go for it. And also, I also forgot, let me find it. Okay, use coupon code Jim Cryptohopper, just like that, Jim Cryptohopper in all caps when you pay for your Cryptohopper, and you'll get a discount I'm not even sure how much it is. Don't know if it's 10%, 20% or what, but every little helps. Yeah. All right, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to social if you want to be extra helpful. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or contact me on Skype. And I'll see you again in the next video, guys. Take it easy. Bye bye.